Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Twilio call recordings metadata for CRM step by step clearly. To backup Twilio call recordings metadata for your CRM, start by logging into your Twilio console. Navigate to the Programmable Voice section. Select Recordings from the left sidebar. Once there, you'll see a list of all your call recordings. Take note of the recording SID for each call you want to backup. Next, prepare to use the Twilio API. Access your API keys from the Account section. You'll need your account SID and auth token. Utilize a programming environment of your choice, such as Python or Node.js. Install the Twilio helper library for your selected programming language. Use the following code snippet to retrieve the call recordings. For Python, start by importing the required libraries. Authenticate using your account SID and auth token. Create a function to fetch the call recordings. Loop through the recording SIDs you've noted previously. For each SID, call the Twilio API to get the recording data. Extract essential metadata like call duration, timestamps, and the recording URL. Store this information in a structured format, such as a JSON object. Prepare to save the metadata to your CRM. If using a database, ensure your schema can accommodate the call recording data. Insert the retrieved metadata into your CRM's designated tables. If you're using a spreadsheet, organize the data accordingly. Run a test to confirm that all data has been exported successfully. Finally, establish a routine schedule for regular backups. Consider automating the process using a cron job or similar scheduling tool. Review and monitor your backup process periodically to ensure it remains functional. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.